Okay. All right, let's start with the wave. So I'm just going to run the code. We are prompted with this screen that allows us to open a pop-up window that loads files here. Now let's go select an appropriate wave file that I have stored on my computer. Open that up. Click OK. It's just going to take a quick second here to process the data, but soon we'll be able to see it on the screen. And wait for the second one. Perfect. Here we are. And we notice it displays the appropriate information for the total number of samples. This one's a bit large, and the sampling frequency in hertz. I'm going to quickly open up the wave file here. We notice that in the header, we have a lot of information that I utilized in the code, such as the frequency and the number of channels. If we take a quick look at the code here, we can see some of these sampling rate here, the frames. And then we plot it here. All the information regarding this draw waveform function is in the report. So let's move on to the second question. Quickly, I'm just going to close this so it doesn't eat my resources. Let's move on to the second half of this here. Here we are. We are also prompted with another window, allowing us to load a file. I'm going to quickly do that. Again, this is a pop-up window. I can move this around. Browse this. Instead of a WAV file, I'm going to go into my images and select one of my samples. Click OK. Just give it a moment, and it'll display the image for us. Here we are. Here's the image. And I do not have a second image to show, but I'm going to quickly. This is actually a larger image. Let's see if it'll load this one as well. It will get rid of the existing image and replace it with a new one. Oh, that is the new image there. So I'm going to close this really quick. Oh. It's eating up too many resources. Anyway, we can see that I handled the BMP file header here, breaking it down into all the individual bytes, which I learned from reading the Wikipedia page here, consisting of all these different byte informations. And you can quickly read that in the Wikipedia file here. I especially made use of these math functions here to help me with my code, and you'll notice those are in the documentation as well if you just read the report. So there's a quick summary of my questions here, and thank you.